Hello guys, I am Saksham and today I am going to tell you another amazing math trick and hack which means Jugaad. So let's start. Guys. Today I am going to tell you some tricks to multiply two-digit numbers. Okay, in this video I am going to tell you two tricks and in further videos I'll tell you many more tricks. So let's start with this video. Okay, so in this video our first trick and the condition of the trick is when the ones digit add up to 10 and tens digit is same. So the condition of this trick means that the two numbers which we are given with the ones digit of those numbers when add up to 10 and the tens digit is same. It should follow these two conditions, then only we can apply this trick. Okay, in further videos I'll tell you one more trick that you can apply to any two digit number. Okay, but for this we have this condition. Okay, so now let's apply and check this trick. So now our question is 24 times 26. Now our trick wanted that the tens digit is same. Here it is same 2 and 2 and the ones digit add up to 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. So we can apply this trick. Okay. Now how to apply this trick and what to do? According to the trick, as the tens digit is same, that is 2, just multiply it with one number greater than it. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so we got the first digit of our answer, that's 6. Okay, now assume two more blanks. Now what will come in those blanks? The multiplication of the ones digit. So 6 4s are 24 and we got our answer 624. Amazed? Please leave a like below. Okay, now next part 51 times 59. Tens digit is same and the ones digit add up to 10. Okay, so now according to the trick, multiply the tens digit with one number greater than it. 5 times 6 is 30. So we'll write it as 30. Now two more blanks we have to assume. What will come in those blanks? Multiplication of the ones digit. 1 9s are 9. Write it as 09 and we got our answer again 3009. Okay, now let's move to more examples. Now next example 82 times 88. Now the tens digit same, ones digit add up to 10. What to do? Simple, just multiply the tens digit with one number greater than it. 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, so we'll write it as 72. Now assume two more blanks. And what will come in those blanks? Multiplication of ones digit. So 2 8 ja 16. We got our answer again 7216. Okay, now let's see next example. You may also try this yourself. I am telling the solutions so that you don't get confused. Okay, you may also check this by yourself. Okay, so now what to do? As the tens digit is same in both and the ones digit add up to 10, this trick can be applied. Just multiply the tens digit with one number greater than it. So 7 times 8, which is nothing but 56. 56. Now just assume two more blanks and multiply the ones digit. 3 7s are 21. Write it as 21 and we got our answer 5621. Okay, so let's move to another examples. I'll give you now live examples. Okay, so now let the examples be, let the example be 93 times 97. Is it fulfilling? Yes, tens digit is same and the ones digit add up to 10. Okay, what to do? Multiply the tens digit with one number greater than it. We'll get 90. 9 tens are 90. Assume two more blanks. What will come in those blanks? Multiplication of the ones digit. 7 3s are 21. And we got our answer 9021. Okay, now let's move to one more example of this trick. Okay, 15 times 15. Yeah, 15 square. So the tens digit is same. Tens digit is same. And the ones digit add up to 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. So what to do? Simple. Multiply the tens digit, that is 1, with one number greater than it. So 1 times 2, it's 2. And now assume 2 more blanks and then multiply the ones digit. So 5 5s are 25 and we got our answer 225. And now by this example it has been proved also. How? Because 15 square we know that it is 225 and we can check it out by multiplying also now to prove that this trick is right. Okay, so let's prove on this 15 times 15. So 5 sides are 25. So here comes 2. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. Then put a cross. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. What we got? 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 on carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. We got 225 and the answer is coming right. Okay. So now let's move to another trick. Please leave a like below if you like this trick. Okay. So let's move to the next and the last trick of this video. Okay. Let's see the trick. So the trick 2 of this video and the last trick of this video, when the tens digit add up to 10 and ones digit is same. So this trick is just the opposite of the last trick we did. Okay, let's move to the examples. Okay, so first example is 62 times 42. So now tens digit add up to 10 and the ones digit is same. So we can apply this trick. Now how does this trick works? Let's see. Just multiply the tens digit first. 6 4s are 24 and the change is we have to add the ones digit, that is 24 plus 2, that is 26. So the first two digits are 26. Now assume 2 more blanks and what will come in those blanks? Square of ones digit. So 2 square is 4, we'll write 04. Okay, so we got our answer 2604. Now next trick is, next example is 51 times 51. Okay, so now multiply the tens digit first. 5 5s are 25 and add the ones digit, we got 26. Now you might be thinking how to apply this trick. This is nothing but the tens digit add up to 10 and the ones digit is same. The numbers are same, that's why you might be confused, but this trick can be applied. Okay, now assume 2 more blanks. What will come in those blanks? Square of the ones digit. 1 square is 1, we'll write it as 01. We got our answer 2601. Okay, and this trick you can use to you can apply to find the square of number that is greater than 50, like that is in the line of 50 to 60. You can apply it to any number between 50 to 60 to find square of that number. Okay, this trick will work on those numbers. Okay, so now let's move to more examples. 28 times 88. Tens digit add up to 10. Ones digit is same. This trick can be applied. First multiply the tens digit. 2 8 is 16. Add the ones digit. 16 plus 8 24. Okay, now assume 2 more blanks and what will come in those blanks? Square of ones digit. 8 square is 64. So 2464 is our answer. Okay, now 98 times 18. Tens digit add up to 10. Ones digit is same. Now multiply the tens digit first. 9 ones are 9. Add the ones digit. We got 17. Now assume 2 more blanks. What will come in those blanks? Square of ones digit. 8 square is 64. We got our answer again. 1764. Okay, so simple. Now I will give you now live examples. So let the example be 44 times 64. Okay, the tens digit add up to 10 and the ones digit is same. Okay, so first multiply the tens digit. 4 6 are 24. Add the ones digit. 24 plus 4 28. Okay, now assume 2 more blanks. What will come in those blanks? Square of ones digit. 4 square is 16. We got our answer 2816. Yeah. Okay, one more example let's take. 33 times 73. Okay, tens digit add up to 10. Ones digit is same. Okay, first let's multiply the tens digit. 3 7s are 21. Add the ones digit. 24. 21 plus 3 is 24. 2 more blanks. Square of the ones digit. 3 square is 9. 2409. See, we again got our answer. So these were the two tricks I discussed in this video. Okay, please leave a like below, subscribe to my channel and share this video too. Okay, bye everyone, and in the next video I'll tell you two more tricks, that is multiplication of numbers near 100 and the multiplication of any two-digit number. Okay, so bye and meet you in the next video. Be safe, be at home because it's corona time. Regularly sanitize your hands, wear a mask. Okay, bye everyone.